In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to showcase photos, products, portfolio images, or any visual content on your website, adding a gallery is a simple and effective way to do it. Hostinger Website Builder makes this process very beginner-friendly, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. Make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage more than one project in the same account. After that, click on Website to access your site settings and management area. From there, choose Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor, which is where you can make visual changes to your page. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing options clearly. Once you're inside the editor, go to the area of the page where you want your gallery to appear. Think about placement before you add it. For example, galleries often work well in a portfolio section, a services page, a home page showcase area, or anywhere you want to highlight images in a clean and organized format. Next, click Add Section. This will show you different section types you can insert into your page. Find and click Gallery. When you select it, Hostinger will usually display layout options for the gallery. Choose the layout that best fits your website style and the kind of images you want to present. Some layouts may look better for large visuals, while others are more useful if you want to display several images at once. Once the gallery has been added, you can begin customizing it. This is where you can make it match the overall design of your site. You may be able to adjust things like spacing, arrangement, and the general appearance, depending on the layout you selected. Take a moment to preview how it looks within the rest of your page so it feels visually balanced. You can also change the images in the gallery. If the section comes with default images, simply replace them with your own. Upload the photos you want to use and make sure they are clear, relevant, and sized appropriately for a polished result. Using high-quality images will make your gallery look much more professional. Once everything looks the way you want, review the section one more time to make sure the images display properly and the layout fits nicely with your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a gallery to your Hostinger Website Builder website.